Welcome to the Guest Studio. This is Gomathi Siva Sankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. Today, I welcome you all to the product launch of Attract Abundance with Dhana Lakshmi. This is one of the 8 paintings that I have created in a series called Attract Abundance. These paintings are taking inspiration from the goddess Lakshmi and the 8 forms of goddesses called Ashta Lakshmi. These 8 forms of goddesses are known for all the positive propensities of life, and Dhana is representing wealth. So, this is the goddess of wealth. And what I created with these paintings was to have a twist in terms of how these images look like. Traditionally, these are women images, and what I wanted to do was to empower girl children. So, I chose girl children as key images, references for inspiration for these paintings, while I also chose images of girls coming from 8 different countries to represent or celebrate diversity. So that's why I call these are celebrate diversity paintings as well. So there are 8 paintings and they represent 8 different girl images from 8 different countries. This particular image, Dhana Lakshmi, I chose a girl child from India. And what I have done with this painting is also to look into the possibilities of having some traditional jewelry references also to work with in this painting. I have really enjoyed and celebrated diversity working on these 80 paintings. They are all 40 by 50 centimeter oil on canvas paintings, just like this one. And this painting, it's original, the prints, and NFTs are available on my website. The links are below in the description for sale. If you're curious on how these paintings evolved, the ideas evolved, there is also a possibility of looking at the making of these paintings, the form of tutorials. I hope you are able to attract abundance so much as I did working on this project. Thank you very much.